Hey everyone, I'm glad you're here today because we've got a really intriguing topic to discuss: the recent ruling against Mastercard and how millions of consumers could be eligible for a £70 refund. Now, I know what you're thinking: is this really for me? Do I qualify? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to break it all down for you. First off, let's get to the nuts and bolts. In a significant legal decision, a court has ruled that some past fees charged by Mastercard were unfair. This opens the door for many people who have used their services to potentially claim this money back. Imagine the surprise of finding out that you could be owed some cash just for using a payment method you likely thought was standard. Now, let's talk about who can make these claims. And here's the interesting part: you don't even have to have a Mastercard to be eligible. Isn't that wild? If you've ever made a payment through Mastercard, even as a guest or without actually holding a card, you might have a chance to get that £70. So, how do you find out if you can claim these fees? It's important to gather any evidence related to your transactions and look into when these fees were charged. Have you ever been charged extra for being overseas, or for maybe a late payment? These could potentially count toward your claim. I can hear some of you asking, but what if I don't even remember the fees? Don't worry, now might be a good time to check your old bank statements, or even contact your bank for assistance. They might still have records of those transactions. It's like a scavenger hunt for money. How cool is that? Now, why should you care about this ruling? Well, first off, it's a big win for consumer rights. It shows that consumers have a voice, and that there are checks in place to ensure fairness in financial transactions. This ruling might feel like a moment of justice for many who have been unknowingly charged unfair fees over the years. Also, this is an opportunity for empowerment. If people start claiming these refunds, it could push companies like Mastercard to reconsider their pricing structures and fee policies moving forward. After all, the more we stand up for our rights as consumers, the better the market becomes. So, just think: how many other companies might need a little nudge to reconsider their fees? This could be a pivotal moment for financial change in the UK. Now, let's not forget that each situation can be unique. If you believe you may have been unfairly charged, you might want to consult advice from consumer rights organizations to better understand your rights and how to proceed with your claim. They can help guide you through the process. Before we wrap things up, I want to encourage you to stay informed. Sign up for updates or subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest consumer news. You wouldn't want to miss out on any more financial news that could save you money, right? Plus, it's totally free. So, there you have it. A quick rundown on the Mastercard refund situation. I hope you're feeling informed, and maybe even a bit excited about the prospect of reclaiming some cash. If you have any questions or stories about your own experience with Mastercard or other payment methods, please share them in the comments. Let's get the conversation started. Until next time, keep those money-saving skills sharp.